Cleaning can help keep bugs from finding your home welcoming. Check out a few spring cleaning tips to prevent pests. 1. Clean your kitchen. Kitchens are the primary spot where bugs can find food. Wipe down your counters, cabinets, and appliances. Sweep and mop to remove crumbs and sticky residues. Check for and repair any water leaks. 2. Clean your bathroom. Bugs are attracted to areas with moisture. Check for and repair leaky pipes or faucets. Clean your counters and floors. 3. Clean your living room. Clean your floors to help remove crumbs or hidden bugs. Vacuum your furniture to ensure nothing gets left behind. Wipe down the surfaces of furniture. 4. Clean your basement. The basement is the perfect spot for clutter to build. Place items in containers to keep things organized. It's best to avoid using cardboard boxes since some pests, like cockroaches and silverfish, hide in and eat cardboard. 5. Clean your yard. Clean your gutters to eliminate standing water. Trim bushes and branches so they aren't touching the side of your home. Wash out your trash cans to remove food residue. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website at maggiesfarmproducts.com.